Instagram made a pretty big announcement this week explaining that they are empowering both Facebook and Instagram users to decide whether or not they want to have their like count appear on the post that they are sharing. And that's not all. They're also allowing Facebook and Instagram users to now decide whether or not they want to see the like count for other Facebook or Instagram accounts that they are following. In this video, I'm going to give you the details on the latest Instagram announcement, show you where you can find these features within Instagram so that way you could turn them on and off as you like, pun intended, and also tell you what this may mean for you if you're a small business owner that is using Instagram or Facebook to sell your products and services. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. So on Wednesday of this week, May 26th, Instagram posted a blog titled "Giving People More Control on Instagram and Facebook." The blog went on to read, "You may have noticed that we've been testing hiding like counts on Instagram for a while. Today we're announcing that everyone on Instagram and Facebook will now have the option to hide their public like counts so they can decide what works for them. We tested hiding like counts to see if we might depressurize people's experience on Instagram. What we heard from people and experts was not seeing like counts was beneficial for some and annoying to others, particularly because people use like counts to get a sense of what's trending or popular, so we're giving you the choice. We're looking for more ways to give people control over their experience. Starting today, we're giving you the option to hide like counts on all posts in your feed. You'll also have the option to hide like counts on your own post so others can't see how many likes your post get. In this way, if you like, you can focus on the photos and videos being shared instead of how many likes posts get." If you notice, the blog highlighted two components to this update: hiding the likes on your post so that others can't see them, and hiding the likes on others' posts so that you cannot see them. Additionally, remember that the blog told us that we would have both these options in Facebook and also in Instagram. So what I'm going to do right now is show you how you can do both of these in Instagram. Psst. If you're finding the information in this video useful, let me know by giving me a big thumbs up so that way I can keep creating content that you want to see. If you're curious as to why Instagram would decide to roll these types of features out, well, they actually started experimenting with taking away likes back in late 2019. Even pre-pandemic, they were getting a lot of feedback and really pushback about how vanity metrics such as likes were negatively affecting some platform users. On Instagram's part, they took that feedback and started running these experiments. And what they said, which they shared with us in the blog post, is that both users and experts really were divided. So half of them said, yes, I think it improved my overall experience on Instagram, not being able to see likes or people not being able to see my likes. And then the other half of people said, it's actually kind of annoying because I use the like count as a gauge to tell me what's trending and what's popular so that then I can build my content on what to share on my Instagram account. One more thing to note here is that in the announcement, you'll notice that Instagram said, we're looking for more ways to give people control over their experience. And I do think that that is something that should be applauded, regardless of whether or not you think these features are going to improve your Instagram experience. As a business owner, if you're using Instagram or Facebook to sell your products or services, how is this going to impact you? Really, it's not, or it shouldn't. What's that old adage? Likes don't pay the bills. And y'all, that's very, very true. I think what has happened over time is that we've oversimplified our analytics. And so we've started to correlate like count with good Instagram use or Instagram engagement. And the truth is that like count does not equate to high sales on your products and services. So for example, if you get 5,000 likes on a post, that doesn't mean that you're making 5,000 sales. Yes, you're getting more exposure maybe for your products and services, but if at the end of the day you can't close that gap and turn a like into a sale, it really doesn't matter how many likes you're getting on your content. Truth is, we've become lazy over time. We've oversimplified and we've really have taken the like count and replaced it for doing the hard work of actually digging into the analytics and seeing how our engagement and how our posts are really doing on Instagram. And so, yes, if you are a business owner that strictly bases your success on Facebook or Instagram by the like count, this is going to have a play, or it's going to kind of rock your world in some sense of the way. Additionally, if you are one of those people that is looking at and emulating what other Instagram accounts are doing. So for example, if I base every post that I am putting on my account on what other people are doing based on the number of likes that they get, me not being able to see their likes anymore is going to impact how I decide what I post on my Instagram. My recommendation, and any good marketer will tell you this, is that if you have been basing your analytics strictly on vanity metrics, that you go in and rethink about how you are using these platforms in your marketing strategy. Dive into the analytics and figure out ways that you can find other analytics that will give you a better picture of how your engagement is going on Instagram or on Facebook and how that's actually translating and impacting your business in dollars and cents. Identify some measurable and actionable metrics that you can use to help you identify exactly how much value using Instagram and Facebook is bringing your business. What you may find is that if you have strictly been using your likes as a gauge for this, maybe Facebook and Instagram is not drawing and bringing you in as much business as you think, and so you're going to have to rethink your Instagram or Facebook strategy. If you like this video, remember that every Monday I release a new video with information just like this that can help you market and grow your business. Also, don't forget to go check out my website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com. I have my entire video library uploaded and accessible there, and also a couple of freebies that you can download today for free. Additionally, if you want even more marketing tips, tools, and tactics, sign up for my weekly email list, and you can do that on my website as well. And every Thursday, I'll hit your inbox with even more information that you can use to market and grow your business. Thanks again for tuning into another Monday Marketing Minute. I'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.